Hey there, is your iPhone having trouble receiving messages? If you're missing out on important text and don't know why, don't stress. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some easy fixes to get those messages flowing again. Let's dive right in. Before you start with any troubleshooting, make sure to turn off airplane mode, disable do not disturb, turn off low power mode, switch off silent mode. Now let's move on to advanced troubleshooting. Solution 1. Check your message settings. Open the settings app, then scroll down a bit. Next, tap on Messages app. Make sure iMessage is turned on. After that, tap on Send and Receive. Verify that your phone number and email addresses are selected under You Can Be Reached by iMessage app. Ensure your Apple ID is linked with your phone number. Scroll down a bit. Also, enable the Send as SMS option from here. Solution 2. Delete all messages on iPhone. Open the iMessage app, then tap on the three dots. Next, tap on Select Messages. Choose the messages you don't need. Then tap on Delete. Tap Delete again to confirm. After that, restart your iPhone and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Sync your messages on iPhone. In Settings, then tap on your Apple ID. Next, scroll down a bit. After that, tap on iCloud. Then scroll down a bit more. Next, tap on See All. Find the Messages app. Tap on Messages in iCloud and turn it on. Next, scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Sync Now. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. Note that this will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords. And there you have it. 4 easy solutions to fix your iPhone's text message issues. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or need more help? Drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and see you next time.